Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. And also consider turning on your post notification bell. It's right under the subscription button. The notification bell will notify you anytime we upload a new video. And on today's video, we are making creamy mushroom soup. So join me as I walk you through the ingredients. So for the ingredients, we shall require button mushrooms, or you can use any mushrooms that you have. I have some coriander or dhania. I have 1 bulb of onion. I have 4 cloves of garlic. I have already washed the 3 items. Then I have cooking cream. I have spices to taste, some salt, and cooking oil. So I'll start by chopping the coriander, the onions, the garlic, and also washing the mushrooms and chopping them to a desired size. So I'll continue chopping my mushroom. So cut them to your desired size. So our ingredients are all ready. As you can see, I have the chopped mushrooms, I have the chopped coriander, the bulb onion, and the 4 cloves of garlic. So let's now start cooking. So I'll start by lighting my stove. Then I'll add cooking oil. And I'll add my chopped bulb onion. And give it a good stir. Cook your onions until they are caramelized. Then I'll add my garlic. I'll give it a good stir. Allow them to continue cooking. So our onions are turning golden brown. They are caramelized, as you can see on this side. So it's a good time now to put in our mushrooms. So I'll go ahead and put in the mushrooms. Here are our mushrooms. And I'll give this a good stir. Then I will reduce my cooking heat to a medium low so that they can cook slowly. So our mushrooms are cooking well. I had left them to simmer for some while. So I'll go ahead and spice the mushrooms. I'll put in some salt, some oregano, and some beef cube. So give this a good mix. So I'll add just a little water so that my spices can simmer into the mushrooms. So very little water, and I will add my heat so that it can simmer. As you can see, it has started simmering, but let's give it maybe half a minute. I'll stir the cream. I will add my coriander. Give it a good stir. So you can see the mushroom, you can see the coriander, the cream. So our soup is ready. I'll go ahead and serve. So our soup is ready and plated, as you can see. It smells so delicious. So we shall be enjoying our soup, our cream of mushroom soup, with some garlic bread. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed, and until our next video, ciao.